expose toolbar. And let's go back to Forza. Whoopala. Let's see if we can run it. You see our GPU goes up to 20%. We're sorry, you cannot able to launch the game. Do the following. Ooh, ignore and continue. You can play, but your experience. Okay. Let's do it. Let's do it. Ooh. Ooh. Maybe I should. Oh, it's loading. Ooh, I'm stupid. Loading, loading, loading. And it's, guess it's a video then. Oh. Okay. Choose your online name. Oh God, I feel myself growing. Oh, I'm back. More! The audio sim has failed to find suitable preset for the default to low. Running the benchmark tool before starting the game. Ooh, yeah. That's all we need. Benchmark! Yes. Ah, enter. Here. Enter for OK. Enter. That's all we want. Benchmark. Let's see how well this game does. I mean, as we here see it already 100% for the CPU and 69% usage of the GPU. It's... I think it's not really doing well. The RAM is at 62%. Let's have a look. Oh God, it not look. I mean, the pictures look beautiful. Let's be serious about that. I make a stop here. Okay, we are back. 100%. You see, CPU usage is falling down already. 75. Oh, let's go up. Oh, 100. RAM. Let's get in my mouse. You see here the RAM is at 70%. Oh, nearly out. Oh no, here 8.4 gigabyte is using from the 11.8 I have on the GT Book. The GPU, oh, there was a couple of seconds where it had gone down. And the frames, I don't know why. Anyway, it's loading. The GPU is down, 32, it's still loading. Nothing is happening. I think it's fair to say that Forza Horizon is too heavy. There's nothing happened except those sweet slides show. I mean, I think it's in-game graphic, it's not pre-rendered. Oh, nothing happens. Okay, I will stop here again and then we will see back after it's loaded. Okay, maybe I'm I'm not patient enough, but I will abort it now. It's loading to death. How to get out of here? Kill it. Okay. Try it again, one more time. This time I will go into the game. Fuck the benchmark. Yes, I gave it already. Ignore and continue. Yes, that's fine for me. The FPS counter still not work for some reason. Screw it. Go away. Go away. I hate intros I cannot skip. Fuck it. Come. Press enter to start. Enter. data. Loading. La, da, 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 yeah, da, 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 da. Do I have something to continue? Not yet. Ah, I have no gamepad. Nah, let's see. If I can do it with a keyboard. I'm a keyboard racer. Keyboard. Oh, it maxed out. Oh. If it will explode now? I hope not so. Oh, and it's loading to death again. I mean, this is an SSD. Okay, I stop here and let's wait for a moment. I mean, seriously, I'm not patient enough for this shit. Why Microsoft is not able to make some progress bar or something so you can know at what stage the fucking loading is. I mean, screw it. Bye bye. Is it gone? Ah, it's gone. So